What is up, YouTube? Just so you guys know, this is a completely normal vlog, everything like that. We're going to be running a DJI Action 4 today with a wireless mic. We're going to be getting the pure sound of the bike. We're going to go hit canyons as well. We're going to be with Coda CC on the R7, and SMD10R is pulling up here shortly. But we're doing the intro like this because we're not going to have the GoPro. SMD10R is going to be running that today while we're on the DJI. So if you guys have any questions, concerns, or you guys are interested in the DJI, just let me know. I can answer as much as I can to help you guys, anything like that. But without further ado, let's get into some canyon riding. back in the garage now with the S1000. That canyon ride was such a blast. I truly enjoyed doing that with the SMD10R and Coda CC. Go drop both of them a follow. We were running this DJI Action 4 today with the wireless mic. The audio after editing it for quite some time we couldn't nail it down to the T. So when we were letting off the throttle, you could hear a lot more of the wind noise. I did have that microphone in my back pocket. So if you guys have any spots to put it, we have tried it on the back plate, in our seat. We've tried it up here before and in a backpack, and it all just did not want to work. So we tried it in our back pocket, and that seemed to be the best outcome versus all of them. We'll be doing another pure audio video sometime soon once we get everything dialed in just a little bit more. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys subscribe, comment, and like the video. It's completely free. It takes a couple seconds out of your guys' day, especially to subscribe. It supports me in ways that you guys can't even imagine. I really do appreciate everybody that stops by, supports the channel and the grind, supports all the social medias as well. Little off topic, but just a little self-plug. If you come over here, we do have this Grom. This Grom is going to be a giveaway bike here shortly. It's going to be completely revamped. So what you guys see now is not what it's going to look like shortly. That's going to be with our merch drop. So keep an eye over on the Instagram, and this bike could be yours. With that being said, though, I really do appreciate everybody that stops by. We'll see you guys when we see you guys next. Peace.